One of the things that we would like to see here is the image or the thumbnail for this video that we created in one of the jobs that's running in the background. So in order to do that, if we go to the database, and see, we have created one column called thumbnail image. So in order to get it, we know that we need to do some, adding something to bring it from the assets folder in the public directory. So to make our life easy, what we are going to do, first of all, we go to the edit video played and the Livewire videos folder, and then we need to plug it somewhere here. But let's go to the view model and then create one attribute that will help us to show will be video model. I'm not sure why it's going down. So when I open this one, I will create one model attribute, or we can get the uploaded profile or uploaded avatar. So we can go and create one method. We can go get uploaded. We can say get thumbnail attribute. And if we know that if we add attribute, then we can call it just thumbnail through Laravel or from the view, as we will see later. Attribute like this, and then what this will retain, it will retain the folder which is videos under the public. Of course, we'll add assets there. So then this dot UID, because it's under that folder, and then we'll add backslash again, and then this or what we call the database, we call it image thumbnail, I believe, is thumbnail underscore image. So it will be thumbnail underscore image. So under videos UID, if we go there under the public, just to make sure that's the right folder, so we go to the public and then somewhere videos, and then this UID, and then it will be this UID.png, which is the thumbnail underscore image. So through thumbnail, I can now view it. So what I will do here on this blade, basically I will do some checks whether this image is valuable or not. You can do like this. So for simplicity now, above this image, I will say if this image, and we can say some default image as well there if it is not there, but let's say this thumbnail, we can call it I will do some div here or one row, and then I will do column, let's say 12, call md 12, and then image, I will do assets helper, asset helper, and then I will say this video, and then thumbnail like this. And then in the class, we do like one class in Bootstrap called image thumbnail. That will make it a little bit smaller. Thumbnail. So I refresh now, see if it's working fine or not. If there's any problems, we can go to the inspect and see what's going on. I'll go to the network just to see this path is right or wrong. So the path here is, if you see, we are going to the folder of videos that we are missing backslash here. So if I go to the model, and after this one, I forget to add one space. So if I refresh now, I should be able to see the image. We can say, for example, here's something, we can make it smaller. We can do, if it is not there, then we can put some default, and we can add some information here. For example, on the model, we can check if, for example, if this thumbnail image like this, and then else we can do something else. Can do some retain some default. For example, some image will be videos, and then we can say default.png, and then we need to add some default picture there. So what I did after I just stopped the video, I uploaded one image here called default, and then add simple text here. So let's go to the database, and then let me remove this image, cut it, and then put null, for example, and then save it. So assuming there's no image yet, so let's see what will happen here. So this will take it. Also another error here, it is null, so it could be something here in the code. Let's go to the code and see what's going on. So inside the code it looks like everything looks fine to me. So I think if I go to the database again and then remove this completely, and then I don't put anything, it could be it's still considering that when I put the null value as something, a text. So if I refresh now, and it is empty showing the database. So if I refresh now, so I'm getting this image. So if I go back and put the same image and save it, so now it's working fine. So let me go and update and upload another video and see what will happen. Just so of course there will be the job is processing now. If I refresh, then I should get the image. So it's working fine. Just one thing, maybe if you want to keep this one is shorter, if we go to the code and smaller, I mean instead of 12 we can keep it maybe 4. We could add another div here with .call md8 for example, or c8 and 4 here to make it small, and then maybe we can put processing, and then we can put percentage here using the from database, the processing percentage. If this is correct from database, let's go database and see. This is called the processing percentage. So if I go now and refresh, processing percentage, this video, and then processing percentage. So at least we'll give some information how much this is processing, and you can play with the layout. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here, so let's go and do this video. Then again we can refresh now, and processing 0, again 38, and so on. We can keep this one also live in the all videos. When we go to the all videos, we can put the processing videos to get updated automatically from Livewire, as we will see later.